Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to restrict background data usage on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we will need to go to Settings. For that, swipe up and click on this Settings icon here. Then, on the left part, scroll down until you will see tab named Apps. Here is it, click on it, and on the right part, find the application that you think might use a lot of mobile data while you're not using them. For example, it can be all of the social media or internet browsers. I will choose Chrome, and right here we would need to go to the usage and mobile data. On the mobile data, disable this function allow background data usage, and it will save a lot of your mobile data. Also, we would need to repeat this process on all of the social media applications. For example, Facebook. Here again, mobile data and disable this function. This is a way how to save a lot of mobile data without restricting usage of them. And that's it. Now you know how to restrict background data usage. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.